Hello, I welcome you all for my next lecture regarding this IoT data management. So earlier we just seen there is so many applications in the various areas, especially in the food inventory, and what kind of managements that they are following for the effective productivity and also to reduce the inventory of the food wastes, and as well as how to monetize and how to reduce the waste and how to reduce that unwanted cost. So in this aspect we just seen a lot. Okay, so regarding this we just need to know, since this IoT which involves so many managements of that food industry, we just seen the detailed classification about the types of managements which it was followed in the food industry. For example, inventory management, wastage management, and also forecast demandings, and about the data relevant to the food temperature, and for the perishable foods how can we protect it from decaying, and what is the time period and what is the duration needed. So in all aspect we just seen in detail regarding the IoT based food inventory management. So in this way I just want to give more detail about what is meant by IoT data management, and how can we implement this IoT data management in order to facilitate the processing of the the processing of the food in various kind of temperature ranges. Okay, so generally this IoT data management, it refers to the processes, technologies, strategies which has been used to handle the data generated by the IoT devices and the system throughout its life cycle. This includes a data collection, storage, processing, analysis, and security. In terms, the goal is to ensure whether that IoT data is available in terms of accurate form and in terms of actionable form, enabling the organizations to derive the insights, and which helps to make the decisions and drive value from the IoT investments. So this supply chain which has been monitored in terms of network of real things, where the product which has been converted into the production in terms of various PLM models and their digital factories utilization. This shows the network of the real things from the model to action, and again from model to data, which with the help of PLM and the digital factory, these things has been monitored. So that is why it enables to derive the insights, and which helps to make the decisions and drive value from the IoT investments, and how can it convert from data to model and again from model to action. In all terms it has been analyzed with the help of IoT data management. So let me see this detail one by one. Let me decode this kind of management properly. So here these are the basic architecture for any kind of IoT system. Example, we need to start with the sensing layer, following that network layer, along with that data processing layer, and the final one is an application layer. Sensing layer, which is used for detect the physical object. For example, it helps to gain the data gathering about what kind of data which has been associated with the models, and in this way it has been analyzed in very detailed manner. So that is what you call that sensing layer. And when you take about the network layer, so here that internet gateway, and there is a network gateway along with the technology, it has been understand with the help of data transmission. So that is what we need to go for, data network layer. Following that, we need to go for data processing layer. It helps to process the information whatever the data has been gathered from the physical object. And once if all these actions is getting over, then we get entered into the final stage, that is what do you call that, application layer, which helps to enable to make it as a smart application. Okay, so in our upcoming sessions we will decode it in layer by layer, and we see about more detail. And by the way, myself Dr. Yuvaraj, and I am AP Mechanical from SNSCT. Thank you so much.